This is a biochar experiment where we mix biochar and chicken litter in varying amounts to determine if we can use biochar as a fertility treatment to increase hay production.
And you know, our economy here in southeast Arkansas is based on agriculture and forestry. And so we're trying to team up and use components from both, from our forest industry to use bioproducts to help our producers here in the county and all over the state.
What we're doing right now is we've got these different plots out here with different treatments. And we're going through and harvesting about 1/4 of a meter square area in each plot. And what we'll do with these clippings is we'll weigh them when we get them back, and those will be the fresh weight. So we record that fresh weight, and then we'll dry them down in a dryer and record the weight again. That'll be the dry weight. So then we can determine dry matter production.
So what we're doing here is we've got a mix of biochar, which is just burnt leftover pine tree slash, and we mixed it with chicken litter to put on a pasture. So we're just doing some research to see what kind of, by adding these soil amendments, what it's going to do to try to help build our soil in some of our pastures around for our livestock producers.
And potentially then, if you use chicken litter from the chicken house with that biochar in it, there is potential that it could be good for your production.
This research is somewhat new. I mean, most of our producers in this area do use chicken litter as a fertilizer for their hay pastures. By mixing this, the biochar in, we're just hoping to see better soil health through microbial activity.
That's just the hypothesis, is to see if it has any effect at all, right? So we don't know if it's going to be good or bad. It could be a negative thing, but hopefully the science and the data will reveal that.
Because this is going to be a long-term project. It's not soil doesn't just change overnight, you know. It's going to take years, but it's going to be a good project.